Let's pull that pickle off. Got the pickle right there. Look at this, man. Look at, oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that juiciness in there. Look at this. That sandwich look good. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are in Newark, New Jersey on Hawthorne Avenue in Nye. We about to go inside Hawthorne Deli and Grill. We gonna go check it out, man, and see if we get, I heard they sandwiches are real good. Let's give a big shout out to Jeff E for suggesting this spot. Let's go take a look, man, and see what's going on. Let's go check it out, check it out. Check it out, check it out. This is where it's going. They got chairs, look, they take card. This is what it is, y'all. What it is, that's the owner back there. I'm gonna get a pastrami. Yeah, I'll take a half of pastrami. You said what's on it? What should I put on it? Mayo? Mustard? What's your suggestions, man? Yeah, I'll get a mayo and mustard, yeah. Can I get a side of coleslaw? Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, that'll be it. That's the owner in the back, y'all. He holding it down. How many years you been here? 21 years? What's one of the struggles of owning your own business? Getting a loan. Getting a loan? All right, what's one of the joys of owning your own business? In charge. You in charge? You heard that, y'all? He said making his own hours. I know that's right.
Name ring a bell? Kurt was the sports.
Here we go, y'all. We got it. We got our pastrami right here. Okay, here we go, y'all. This sandwich is so heavy right here and it feels nice and warm. I got the pastrami. I got my side of coleslaw. Let's check this out, man. Let's open this up so we can get that. Oh my goodness, look at we gotta be fast, y'all, because I'm outside here. They had a little music in there. Look at this, man. Look at, oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that juiciness in there. Yo, I hope this looks or tastes as good as it look, man. Look at the pickle right here on top. Let's pull that pickle off. Got the pickle right there. Got the pastrami right there. Come on, man. Let's check this sandwich out. Look at this. I'm gonna just show you the whole sandwich at first. Look at this. That sandwich look good. Let's check it out. I'm gonna just break it in half, man. Look at that goodness in there. Can you see that? Look at the goodness. Look at the steam coming off of that goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, first of all, shout out, before I even taste it, to the owner, man. Because I went to pay and he was like, look, you got this, man. We really appreciate him. We about to go into it. Let's check it out. Yeah. Okay, I've never been to this spot. I used to run these streets. I didn't used to run them like I was in charge. I used to run them. I used to run these streets, man. I probably passed here dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of times. I never knew this spot was here. But now I do, man. Just that one bite, I'm sold. Word is born, yo. The pastrami is tender. It's got a lot of good flavor in it, man. And there's cheese on here, and I got some mayo in there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Very tender. Very flavorful. Sometimes you get pastrami and it's tough, man, but this pastrami is very tender, yo. Okay, I'm gonna compare this like, ain't no comparing. I don't wanna like name one restaurant and be like, this is better than theirs. But this is better than most. You guys gotta come check it out. Hawthorne Deli and Grill, Irvington, New Jersey. Is a few blocks that way. We're in Newark, New Jersey. I used to think this was Irvington. I'm eating all of this, at least half. Yo, that was a blessing too, man. Wow. I went in there, y'all saw the owner, and I told him what I do. He said, yeah, I know you. I was really humbled and appreciative. I taste a little fat there, and y'all know I like the fatty parts too. But it's not like fat where you just gotta be like, keep chewing fat. The meat is lean and fatty. But look at this, man. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look how it looks in there, man. I'm dropping on the truck. I can't eat it off that part of the truck. I can't eat that off of this part of the truck because it looks extra dusty right there. And y'all saw me eat off my truck before, but like, I do it with caution, you know, and precaution. Yo, cars going crazy out here. Look what I got y'all. Do not tell my doctor. Always the stuff we're not supposed to have tastes the best, right? Y'all know I love pickles. I'm eating the rest of this, y'all. Y'all know I usually have a bunch of leftovers, but we're gonna dig into this sandwich. We going in. We ain't messing around, we going in. I like when I bite into it and you taste that delicious pastrami, and then all of a sudden I get that burst of mustard, and it's cheesy, and I got a little bit of mayo in there. He chopped it up on the grill, and I was sitting down like in the daze, man, but I should have been filming him chop it up on the grill. I think I prefer a lot of my stuff chopped, you know. This is a chopped pastrami. It's delicious, man. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. I love you cats, man. Thanks for always supporting. If you can, hit the like and subscribe button. Be notified. Click the bell so you'll be notified when we go live or post new videos. Also, those that want to help support a little more, just hit the $ thanks button, and you can support that way buying cups of coffee. I drink coffee when I'm editing. If you don't see the $ thanks button there, you'll see 3 little dots. Click them dots and the $ thanks button is in there. This your man, Matt DV. Until the next time, peace. Wait a minute, did I say? Nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. I love you cats. Peace. That little back piece right there is getting moist now from like the steam and the cheese. I love the bread when it gets that little moisture. You know what other bread does that moisture? You know what other bread gets that little moisture? White Castle hamburgers. Very filling, man. I got this one more piece, and then it's a done deal, y'all. Word is born. Hey, what's up, sis? I ain't got no cash on me. Yeah, no worries. If she would have asked for some food, I'd have gave her some food. She asked for $1. I don't give money out on the streets. I don't have $1 on me anyway, but give somebody money and they wind up ODing, man, that's a tragic thing. The coleslaw is good too. It tastes sweet. It tastes like the sauce in here, like the mayo sauce. That's good coleslaw, man. Y'all thought this was a game. Okay, this one fell on the blanket. I'm looking at the meat over there on the truck, man. I'm so tempted to eat it. I knew somebody was coming up on me because I got my camera there. I could see them in the camera. Jokers be trying to sneak up on me in the hood. Yo, I got my fork. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let me stop. I am telling the truth, y'all. That was freaking delicious. Make sure y'all come check them out. I'm gonna put this in here. If it fits back in there.